everyone, it's Jen. It's a Friday haul, Friday, April 24th. Hope everybody's doing well. I got a few orders in from online this week and a couple of things from Dollar Tree. So let's get started. The first thing I got is an order from Etsy. It's some seam binding from My Scrap Cabin. I think that's the name of the shop. A lot of people have been getting these pretty crinkly seam bindings, so I did place an order. And I wanted to show it to you how it was packaged before I opened it. Isn't it pretty? And a nice handwritten note from the owner, whose name is Erin. And she says, "Thank you, Jennifer. I hope you love your seam binding. I've included a bundle of ultraviolet to enjoy as well. All my best, Erin." Isn't that nice? She gave me a freebie too. So let's take a look and see. See, these are all the colors. I got two bundles. These three colors were a bundle, and these three. So let me open it up. Here is, okay, there it is. I've never had, sorry for the crinkling, if you're crinkling. I've never had crinkly seam binding before. But this is really cool. This will be great to tie like mini albums and just for embellishments on projects. Really pretty. So there's the ultraviolet. That is a freebie. And oops, keeps getting stuck. Okay, and this was one bundle. Really pretty colors. I love this mint, of course. Sorry, let me just put them neatly. There's like a peachy orange color and very light purple. Beautiful. And these colors. Nice light pink, very lovely, and a cream color, and a light peach. Feels so nice. It's stretchy. Cool. I love it. I can't wait to play with those. Those will be fun. Okay, so I'll just move those over there. And let's move to, I only got one thing from AliExpress this week. I got these cute little charms. They're like little ice cream cones. See, aren't they cute? That one has like blue, white, and pink ice cream. And there's a few different ones. This one has pink, white, and yellow. And I think there's one more. Yeah, there's like a hot pink, light pink, and white. And they're gold. There's a couple of each. I did use one in a project, which I'll show you at the end of this video, but I thought those are so cute. I'll link that down below if you're interested. And I did get, last week I told you guys that I ordered from Cartwright Sequins, so I did get my order in, so I thought I would show you. Really, really pretty colors. I'll leave a link to them down below also. Nice fast service. The things I was really excited about were these ones. They're called confetti, so they're like kind of like sequins that do not have holes in them, see? And this one is peony. It's such, I don't know if you can really tell from the camera, but it's a really like pinky peach. It looks more peach on screen, it looks like, but it's got a lot of pink in it too. Just so pretty. Love this color. So this will be perfect for shakers. And this is, I think it's the 5mm one. I think that's what that means. Actually, I think confetti might just come in the one size. I don't know. Okay, so I also got this confetti. This one is pale yellow. It's nice to have yellow instead of gold sometimes, you know. Nice pastel. And then this one I actually dug into already. This one is lemon yellow. See the difference. Love these confettis. And I got this one, which is taffy. Really pretty. It says opalescent confetti. So there's satin and opalescent. Opalescent is more kind of iridescent-y, if that's a word. Just made that one up. And then there's this one, Bashful. I know that Tony at Craft Purge had gotten this color, and she said the pictures online did not do it justice, and she's right. It's such a pretty pinky peach color. Love it. And another confetti I got was this one called Lanai, which is beautiful. It's such a pretty aqua color. It makes you think of like the water in Hawaii, really. It's just gorgeous. And maybe I think that because of Lanai, because that's a island in Hawaii, but oh, it's beautiful. And I got this confetti. This one's called Light Pink, just your basic light pink satin confetti. I think that might be all the confettis. Oh, no, one more. This one is called Light Purple, which I don't have a lot of purple, so I decided to just round out my pastel collection. So those are the confettis, and I got some other sequins. This one is Pale Aqua, 3 millimeters, so they're super tiny, but good to vary your sizes and shakers, right? So flat transparent, you could still see the color, but you know, it's good to mix these with solid colors, I think. And then I got Pale Ocean Blue Green, and this one is 6 millimeter flat. So you can see the size difference, 3 and 6. Starting to get the hang of metric measurements. And then this is a lanai, like the confetti, but it's sequined, so you could see them side by side. So pretty. These are slightly cupped. They have fully cupped ones, which are, you know, just more like a bowl shape. I don't think I got any of those. I kind of like the slightly cupped ones for shakers. And then I got this light pink flat sequin, or flat satin sequin. So pretty. And I got this mixed pack, which is so nice. These are 4 millimeter, slightly cupped opalescent mixed colors. Those pretty. Says there's 1,200 in here. I'm not going to count them. I'll take their word for it. And then I got these. I think they're the same. Yeah, melon, which is, they look really peach on my camera, but they have a lot more pink to them in real life. So we have here 3 millimeter. Oh, okay. These are full cup. So you can see, hopefully, let me see how cupped they are, right? Yeah. I think because they're so small, they'll be fine in shakers like that. And then these are flat. So that's my, there's a glare, sorry about that, but that's my sequin assortment I got. So I can't wait. I'm going to put these in my Harbor Freight containers later today. I just love organizing my craft supplies, don't you guys? It just feels so good. All right, and then I got just a couple things from Dollar Tree when I was there this week. I got this. It's a silicone facial mask applicator, but I got it just to, like, you know, apply glue or something like that. And I love the color, so I thought it would look cute here. And of course, I had to get some of this, my favorite mounting tape. I just love this. I use it all the time, so every few times that I go to Dollar Tree, I pick up one or two. So I got that as well. And I think that's it for my haul. I'll just show you guys some projects I made this week. How about that? Let me just move this out of the way. I made a traveler's notebook that it's in my Etsy shop in case you're interested. I'll leave the link down below. But I made this lemon themed one that I think came out really, really cute for summer. I used this paper that I had gotten, I think it was from scrapbook.com, and it's just such a pretty color. I thought it deserved to be, you know, like showcased like this. I didn't add any ephemera or anything to the front just because it's just so pretty. So I'm calling this one Pink Lemonade because it has pink lemons, obviously. And I made this dangle for the front, which is this pretty heart charm, and then a bow that I placed in front of it, both from Allie. And then I made this tassel, well, it's not really a tassel, but this other dangle on the end. It has some crocheted beads. There's that ice cream cone that I showed you earlier. Put a lobster clasp on it, and this is also from Allie that I showed you guys last week or the week before, but it's this pretty yellow, glittery, fun charm. Looks like a crown top. Just love the colors in there. Just stare at that. And then I made these, well, some of these I made, some of them were purchased, the paper clips. There's this one, which I got from somewhere, I don't remember, but it's a pom-pom on a paper clip. This one I made out of a charm, put it on a paper clip. This one I made with some Dollar Tree ribbon, which I thought went perfectly. And this was from Hobby Lobby. This was just a pretty, like a rose gold bow, and it's got some iridescent material behind it. And on the side, I made a planner clip or a pen clip, and I put a coordinating pen on there that has red ink. And this is the back. And let's open it up. I'll show you. I used white elastic cord. This is the inside. I made a pocket, and I included a sheet of bumblebee stickers from Pebbles. Just thought they went good with the yellow theme, kind of summery, right? And this is this notebook. There are 3 inserts, and this one is an undated weekly planner, so you can add your own dates, start it whenever you want, any year, doesn't matter. I added a piece of Jen Hadfield chipboard there, so that's that one. This is the next notebook insert. It's got strawberries, also in the pink theme. This one is dotted. Can you see that? Yeah, so you can customize that whichever way you want. And the next insert is this, like, oops, sorry, hit my tripod. This pretty like teal color. It says sunny, and this one is just completely blank. And at the back of that, I have this final insert that has business card or, you know, ephemera, note card, whatever you want to put in there. 3 different slots on this side, so I just put some ephemera in there. And on this side, there's also 3 different slots. I put some colored paper or some patterned paper. And over here, I made a folder, and I added this. This was from actually from a like a drink marker, or no, or a straw marker. I forget what it was, but it was from the Target dollar spot. I had gotten a bunch of their lemon themed things last year or the year before. So I made this folder, and inside I added some lemon or lime themed note cards, with coordinating envelopes. And then on this side, there are some lemon themed recipe cards. I just love lemons. I have a hutch in my kitchen that I change the decorations for every season. And just the other day, I converted it to a lemon theme, and I just love it. I could keep it up all summer. I don't get tired of it because I usually do a lemon theme. For the past few years, I have been. I just, you know, change around where I put things, but I think it looks so cute. But anyway, just obsessed with lemon themed things. And over here, I made this shaker pocket. This is, you can't get into it because I sewed it shut with this trim, but just to look at, I think it's fun. I put some lemons and strawberries in there, different coordinating sequins. Here's where I added those lemon pieces of confetti from Cartwright, but everything else I had in my stash already. So I think that came out so cute. And some rickrack and that Hobby Lobby trim. And this is the back cover. I made a pocket, and I put a few different fruit-themed postcards in here. And there's the pen clip. So I hope you like it. Like I said, it's in my Etsy shop if you're interested. Comes with everything you see, free shipping. So yeah. And while I had my lemon themed things out, I made a pretty card. You probably saw on Instagram if you follow me there, but this is it. I thought it came out so cute. I had a little bit extra of that paper, so I wanted to show it off again. And I used some pink coordinating paper behind it, some bling from, I think this was from Joann's at Valentine's Day. And I stitched around with some iridescent thread from Hobby Lobby. I cut out a heart. This was a Sizzix die from a nesting set. Just some yellow polka dot paper I had. And I cut this out from a die, the word sweet. And I have this in my stash too, this bow from Allie, and I put a brad through it. all the way through. And the inside is just plain. I put this on a card from Michael's. Remember they had that pack at Easter time, or like late winter? So I just glued this on top of the one side. So there's that, my lemon theme. And I also made a new tissue box cover for my craft room, and I made it into like a little craft room. Oh my goodness, I think I'm gonna have to raise this up a little. Hang on, try not to. Okay, hope you didn't get dizzy there. But yeah, it looks like a little, like a she shed craft room. So this is the front, and I used, mostly for the papers, I used the Echo Park I Heart Crafting collection. I used that for this pink background paper. And this was part of that collection, the border on the bottom. The others are just plain papers I had. The chimney is from there. I can't really read it, but it says things like inspire and scrapbooking, dream. And the roof paper, obviously, is craft supplies from that line. Cute, right? This I gotten from Joann's, this like hanging banner. It was in there, kind of like by the cake decorating section, I don't know, a while ago. And this is one side. I just cut out some of the cut aparts and put some of them on the sides. That's the one. That I think kind of looks like me, so I put that on there. Crafty and happy. And this is the other side, one of those pinwheels that I showed you guys how to make. And it's more the border, another window, and I used some of the stickers from the I Heart Crafting collection for the inside of the windows, which I did over here too. And those are little buttons. And a bow I had in my stash. And that's where the tissue comes out. So I had a different tissue box cover that I had made, I don't know, a year or two ago in my craft room, but I thought it was time for a change. And honestly, I didn't know what else to make with this collection, so I thought this would be perfect. So I think that is it for today, you guys. I hope you're having a great week. I hope that everybody's nice and healthy and looking forward to ending our lockdowns. I know some states are. I'm jealous, but hopefully everybody, I hope that goes well so New York can open up soon too. So yeah, thinking about everybody, and hope you guys have a great weekend. I will be back to talk to you guys soon. All right, take care. Bye, guys.